Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to free up space in OneDrive. So first way is to browse the files and delete the unwanted stuff. But there's also another option which is bit more easy and reliable. For that, click the top right gear icon and then click settings. And once you have reached this section, click to manage storage, and as you can see your storage details around here. In our case it's 5 GB and 0.1 GB has been used. So basically you can actually increase the storage, but that technically doesn't free up the space. So we are gonna use the option below here which says free up space. So you can see there are two options, one is OneDrive, another is Outlook attachments. So we are gonna use the option OneDrive. Just click through it and your OneDrive files would be presented here. So you can just check them and delete them like this. And by going here you can go to recycle bin and empty the recycle bin to clear everything. So this is it, how you free up space in OneDrive. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for these kind of videos in future. Thank you.